we just took profit on a bunch of trades, and after we had a good liquidation, I want to show you a few things that happened after the last video. Last video dropped right here, I marked it and I gave you a short and a long setup. I literally said we short into here, exactly where we did, we long, and we go for VWAP up. And we wicked to the 50 MA, but that was a very good target. Since then, right now, I'm looking for a long and short setup. I'm probably gonna long right now, but I'll tell you that about that in a little bit. 260K profit on BOOX, 30 grand on this new wallet. If you want to follow every single trade I have, use the link in the description down below. We just took profit on Zero Bro, on AOT, on HBAR right here, and on IT. IT is a meme coin trade. We also have Mumu and something else. And if you want to learn how I trade, not just get my calls, I made my course super cheap, just $117. I know people are charging a lot for this. I want to make it cheap. And Mexi, I'm done with Mexi. Switch to BloFin for security reasons. And right now I got you guys a deal where you can claim $300 of deposit bonuses using my link. So use it, check it out. And let's see what we'll do. And obviously this video is not financial advice. Let's see what we can do right here. So basically right now I would be interested in taking a long, and I'm gonna do that from my phone right now. So I'll go for a Cookie long, right, this, okay. So I want to be careful with the take profit, so we'll start with 1266, but we can change it at any time. Yeah, 1266 actually is actually really good. 1266, we're already pumping, I think, or no, 1266 is good. It's a 0.66 profit, which is decent. That's good enough for me. I'll also add it to my watch list on the current trades watch list, but for some reason this is not updated. But yeah, I'll just type in Cookie USDTP, and I'm sharing that with the signals group. Longing Cookie USDTP. Something got into my throat. What is going on? So I'm planning on quickly going for a long here, from here to around here, and then if we pump above to this level and the 200 EMA, we might go short. Gotta go clear my throat. I'll make a new Cookie video tomorrow. See you there. Bye.